look who it is. Yeah, this guy. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Let's get right to it. OneTakeJay, gonna do this thing. I haven't made a video in a while, so if anybody's watching this, you know, I'll post some of my other videos that I made a long time ago so you can just watch. But this is in some more important stuff. See all this stuff right here? Yeah. What I'm going to make right now is a sanitizer solution that you can use all over your body. Right? Take a container like this, right? This is an empty container of witch hazel, right? Which restores the collagen in your skin, keeps you nice and clean. Taking this one, I filled it up about halfway full of water. So getting right down to it. We're gonna take this bottle, we're gonna open it up. Then we're gonna take some of this. It's castor oil. Read it. It's got all kind of healing properties. Totally boosts your immune system. That's why people back in the old days used to feed it to their kids so they didn't get sick. Well, you know, it turns out it's good for your skin too. So we're just going to take a little bit of it here. All right. I'll pour some right in that water. Just a couple of drops. Right. I'm not going to go through all the health benefits of castor oil. You can take the time to look it up yourself. Right. Then we're going to take some aloe vera. Yes. Pure, straight aloe vera. Again, lots of healing properties. Good for your skin as well. Pour some in there just like that. Right? Not a whole lot. Now that right there, folks, pretty good. You know you want to put it on you because it's going to make your skin all nice and soft and stuff like that. And now we're going to step it up, right? I like the smell of trees. Cedar wood. Check it out. Yep. Not getting real care about the quality of this video. It's more important about you watch what I'm doing. So we take some cedar wood, put that in there a little bit. Just a couple of drops. Stuff's pretty potent. It's an essential oil. Right, so put that one off to the side. Right, step up to the next one. It's all about the trees. All about the trees. Right. Eucalyptus. That's right. Koala bears love it. Opens up your sinuses. Yes. It smells good in the shower too, so we're going to put some in there like that. Right? Yeah, just let it drip a little bit. Right? And then, next up line. All about the trees. Tea tree oil. Yes. Again, I'm not going to take all the time to explain all the health benefits of all this stuff. You can look at it yourself. Once you do, you'll be like, wow, that's a pretty good mixture, Jay. Why didn't I think of that? Well, you didn't have to because I did. You put some of that in there like that. All right. Tea tree oil. Again, good for your skin. Then we got frankincense. You know, familiar with it is? It was a gift for Jesus. Again, it's all about the trees. Right. We'll put some frankincense in there. It smells kind of like dirt. It's got a real earthy smell to it, but I like it. Right? So, right, a little bit of frankincense in there. Right? Don't need a whole lot. These are essential oils. They're really, really potent. Then, the clove. You don't know what clove is? Well, who cares? Just put it in there. It smells good. Right? A little bit of clove oil. Right? Stuff's pretty potent. I love the smell of stuff on my fingers. Yeah, rub it all over your body. Yeah. Right. And then last but not least, little peppermint. Right. Yes, take a little bit of peppermint, drop it off in there. Right. A couple of glugs, you know. All these are really good for you. The amount that you use is really going to be up to you and the fragrance that you like. You know, the most important ingredients are the aloe vera and the castor oil, right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this witch hazel right here. Now I'm going to bite it open. Yeah, so what? That tastes nasty, but whatever. Now see, witch hazel gets down into the collagen of your skin and helps your body absorb all these oil and nutrition makes it even better for you. Plus, it's cleansing. So of course, squirt some of that in there like that, right? And then, right, top it off with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now remember, I filled most of this up with water. Alcohol is going to dry your skin a little bit, but the aloe vera and all the oils make up for it, so you know you leave your skin nice and soft, right? So we'll go in there, put a liberal amount of that in there. I like the alcohol because it's sanitizing. Kills all the germs, bacteria, viruses. I'm not going to get into that part. You know what I'm doing. Just stick to the basics. Right? We can shake it up. Boom. Ready to use. That smells good. Now, here's the thing. Now with everybody, you know, being asked to cover their faces, I just want to let you guys know that just covering your face isn't enough, especially if you're going to use one of these. So what you want to do, right, is you want to take some of this, right, put it into the rag right here, get it all nice and soaked. You probably rub some on your arms, you know what I mean, in your face, right? Then you cover your face with it. Yes. Now, with all the alcohol and the oils in the rags, if something gets on the rag, it's going to die. Plus, if you don't keep your face clean, what's going to happen is this thing that you're putting on your face, it's going to get all full of bacteria and everything. And, you know, you'll be defeating the whole purpose. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Stay safe. Make some comments. Do the YouTube thing. And please, share this video because this is some really important information.